the student of Marvel School of Education going to learn some basic definition related to fraction.
Hasib, what do you mean by fraction?
A fraction means part of a whole. Fraction has two parts, denominator and denominator.
Zian, can you tell me the position of numerator and denominator in a fraction?
The position of numerator and denominator in fraction is the numerator is upper and the denominator is lower.
Yes. That means the fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator.
Yes.
Numerator is on the upper side and denominator is on the lower side.
Yes.
Zian, what do you mean by proper fraction?
A fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called as proper fraction.
Numan, can you give me the examples of proper fraction?
2.5, 3.4, 5.7, 7.8.
Hasib, what do you mean by improper fraction?
A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called as improper fraction.
Give me the examples.
7 upon 2, 6 upon 3, 8 upon 3, etc. etc.
Zian, what is the difference between proper and improper fraction?
In proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator, and in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Thank you. Riza, what do you mean by like fraction?
Fraction with the same denominator are called as like fraction.
Can you give me the examples of like fraction?
1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 2 upon 4 and so on.
Sirat, what do you mean by unlike fraction?
Fraction with the different denominator are called as unlike fraction.
Can you give me the examples of unlike fraction?
2 upon 5, 4 upon 6, 3 upon 7, etc. etc.
Riza, what is the difference between like and unlike fraction?
Like fraction have some denominator and unlike fraction have different denominator.
Thank you. Riza, what do you mean by unit fraction?
Fraction having 1 as the numerator are called as unit fraction.
Tika, can you give me the examples of unit fraction?
Yes. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 9.
Thank you. Arusa, can you tell me what do you mean by equivalent fraction?
Fraction with different numerator and denominator that represent the same value of the whole.
Arusa, can you give me the examples of equivalent fraction?
Yes, why not? 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8 are equivalent to 1 upon 2.
Rutba, what do you mean by mixed fraction?
Mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction.
Can you give me the examples of mixed fraction?
Yes, sir. 2 is to 3 upon 5 and 2 is to 3 upon 5.
I hope you all have enjoyed this video.
Thanks for watching.